I'm going to show you how to pay attention to things that most people don't. I always say analyze. I analyze my information to tell me more than what the average person is going to see. So just you'll see what I mean when we get to the low boards. All right, let's do a quick little exercise and we're going off of memory. Okay. So I'm going to start with you, chemist, because I go by who I see on my screen first. You just booked the load from Sam for Sam. You got the rate confirmation. By the way, you have to look over the rate confirmation to make sure it's what you spoke to the broker about. Particularly if you have negotiated a rate, you want to make sure that that rate is updated in the rate con. You want to make sure that the times are accurate. Everything that you spoke about, you want to be able to confirm. If you notice something, just ask the broker to revise it and resend the rate con. Do not ever take a rate con with the wrong information on it. Because one day it's going to be in your lap and it's going to put your driver at a disadvantage because of that. But chemist, you booked a load for Sam. He is on his way to the pickup. What do we call those miles?
Dead, dead heads.
Yes, dead head miles. Very good. All right, Brittany. Sam is at the he gets to the pickup, he gets checked in, he's at his dock. And so everybody knows we're going to talk about whether or not Sam is going to help, and we're going to talk about how Sam's truck is going to get loaded because that's kind of critical at this point. So, Brittany, if Sam has to help load his truck, do you remember what we call that?
Driver assist.
Very good.